This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy F14 5G. The Samsung Galaxy F14 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone which offers 5G connectivity, long-lasting battery and decent camera setup. This smartphone is designed for users who want good performance without spending too much money. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus PLS LCD screen with 90Hz refresh rate, which ensure smooth visuals. And this smartphone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for enhanced durability. This smartphone comes with 5nm Exynos 1330 chipset processor, and it delivers efficient performance suitable for daily tasks and moderate gaming. This smartphone equipped with dual rear camera setup featuring 50MP primary sensor and 2MP macro lens. For selfies, it offers 13MP front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 1080 pixel video recording at 30 fps. This smartphone comes with 6000 mAh battery and support 25-watt wired fast charging, and charger is not included in the package. This smartphone runs on Android 13 operating system with One UI Core 5.1, which provides a user-friendly interface and the latest software features. This smartphone available in two configurations: 4GB RAM with 128GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. This smartphone also includes dedicated micro SD slot for expandable storage. This smartphone support 5G connectivity with compatibility for 13 5G bands, which ensure faster data speeds and improved network performance. Here you can see the dimensions, and weight is approximately 206 grams. This smartphone support dual SIM, and this smartphone has side mounted fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass. Now we will see advantages of this smartphone. First point is long lasting battery. The 6000 mAh battery ensures extended usage without frequent charging. Next point is smooth display. The 90Hz refresh rate provides a fluid visual experience. Next point is durable screen. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 offers robust screen protection. Next point is expandable storage. This smartphone includes a dedicated micro SD slot for additional storage needs. Next point is 5G support. This smartphone is compatible with 13 5G bands, which enhance connectivity options. Next point is software updates. Samsung promised 2 OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is limited camera versatility. Lacks ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, limiting photographic flexibility. Second point is no 4K video recording. Video recording is capped at 1080 pixel, which may not meet the needs of all users. Third point is charger not included. The 25-watt fast charger is sold separately, which adds to overall cost. Fourth point is no AMOLED display. This smartphone utilizes PLS LCD screen instead of AMOLED panel, which results less vibrant colors and contrast. Fifth point is no IP rating. This smartphone lacks official water or dust resistance. What are the customers' positive feedback? First point is excellent battery life. Many users prize the long lasting battery. Second point is good value for money. Customers often mention the phone offers a lot of features for its affordable price. Third point is decent camera quality. The camera is generally considered good for the price range, especially the main 50MP sensor for daylight photography. Fourth point is smooth performance for daily use. User appreciate the smoothness for everyday task, browsing and social media. Fifth point is good display. The display quality is often mentioned positively with good colors and sharpness for the price. Sixth point is 5G connectivity. User appreciate the fast 5G speeds. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 11,990 rupees to 13,490 rupees based on RAM and storage configuration. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $145 to $162 based on RAM and storage configuration.